How to clone packs RBD geometry, constraints, and proxy geometry together in Houdini. Then perform a fracture. Create a pig head and add a Voronoi fracture node. Create constraint attributes. Create rbdconfigure node. Pack operation for each fragment. The next step is the focus, creating an rbdpack node. The purpose of this node is to pack RBD geometry, constraints, and proxy geometry into a single geometry. So on the information panel, I see that there are 3 pack geos options. Let's take a look at the difference between the rbdconfigure node and the rbdpack node pack. Of course, we haven't set up proxy geometry. If it is a complex geometry, we can set a proxy geometry. We won't add it here. Okay. Clone objects onto points. The next step is also the focus. We added the rbdunpack node. RBD setups can be packed into a single geometry using an rbdpack SOP. The rbdunpack SOP undoes this operation. Unpacks an RBD setup into 3 outputs. Check the node info, all the constraint-related attributes exist. Okay. We create the rbdbulletsolver node. Click to play. We see that the broken result is incorrect. Let's check the attribute panel. You can see that the name attribute is named repeatedly. So how to solve this problem? It's actually quite simple. Just check this parameter on the rbdunpack node. When unpacking multiple merged RBD packed instances, the geometry and constraints name attributes may result in unwanted duplicates. This appends a dash and instance number to the name attributes. Take another look at the attribute list. At this point, the name attribute will not be duplicated. Now let's click play and take a look. Breaking now is the right thing to do. Constraints are also correct. Now increase the strength of the constraints to 2000. Click to play. We see changes in the fragmentation results. Looking at the display of constraints again, it is also correct, indicating that the constraint effect is effective. Okay, this is how to add constraints to clone objects for fracture. 2 very important nodes, rbdpack and rbdunpack. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.